Hi friends, good morning. Today we are facing one more challenges. It is a palindrome. It is frequently asked in interview questions. Let's jump into the coding. Okay, what is here? So write a JavaScript function to check if the given string is palindrome or not. Okay, the given string is palindrome or not. Let's jump into the question. Okay, so initially I am defining one arrow function. Const This is one arrow function. It accepts one argument. Okay, it accepts one argument. I am taking str. Okay, so after that here I need to initialize j. I need to initialize j str dot length -1. So here I need to initialize j. So he basically here j is point to the last character of the string. J is point to the last character of the string. Okay, and after that I need to iterate a string. So I need to iterate. So here we have so many methods, right? But I followed for loop method. Okay, I need followed for loop method. I'm taking a for loop. I'm taking a for loop. Let I equal to 0 initially. Okay, let I equal to 0 initially, and I less than str dot length. So this is the palindrome, right? So here I iterate to first half of the string. I iterate to first half of the string. Okay, and after that I plus plus. After that I plus plus. Okay, this is the for loop method. So within this I need to uh, check the characters. I need to check the character. So I'm taking one if condition. If str dot I not equal to str of j. Okay, if this condition is satisfied, if this condition is satisfied, simply return false, right? Simply return false. Okay, if the condition is simply returns false, and after that I'm taking j minus minus. This is the what is the purpose, right? Here simply decrease to move towards the start of the string. Simply decrease to move start of the string, and after that return true. Return true. Okay, so now I'm taking let str1. I'm taking one variable. I'm taking one string, and after that str2. Control J, open terminal, cls, Then I'm node. Okay, I'm console, right? Okay. Console.log. Console.log. I'm taking one more console. Here I'm passing str2. Okay, I'm save the snippet. Now I'm running again. Yeah, see, the first one is let str1 is racecar is a palindrome, and str2 is a Praveen. I'm taking Praveen. It's a taking false. This is the palindrome. Okay, so initially I defined one arrow function. Const is palindrome. Okay, within the arrow function I'm taking one argument is a str. Okay, after that I initialized j. Here is a point to the last character of the string. Here is a point to the last character of string, and after that I need to iterate a string, right? I need to iterate a string. So here I'm using for loop method. Here I'm using for loop method. Here I iterate over first half of the string, first half of the string. Okay, and after that I need to compare a character's position, and after that I need to character compare the position. So here 8, within the 8 line I'm taking if condition. Here I'm taking if condition. So in this condition, if they are not equal, the string palindrome is written false. Okay, so here after I'm taking j minus minus, so it is used to decrease, to move towards the character of the string, towards the character of the string, and all characters are matched, simply returns true. This is the palindrome within the JavaScript. Okay, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. Thank you guys.